Bryant, co-founder here at The Big Chill. As a product designer, I'm always looking to develop products that are beautiful and fun. You know, they didn't have mini microwaves in the 1950s, so I pulled in design details from vintage televisions. Instead of using plastic, we combined stainless steel finishes with powder-coated metal to create the most vibrant retro colors. And our process gives you the most durable, environmentally friendly finish available. You're going to use your microwave thousands of times over its life. With our signature look, you'll enjoy it every time you do.